Today, we're going to take a look at the NU Stadium, home of Inter Miami, just a few days before its grand opening. April's update on the construction of Inter Miami's new stadium shows a highly advanced stage, already in the final preparations for inauguration. The construction site is buzzing with activity, with multiple teams working simultaneously to complete the last details of the arena. On the pitch, the turf has already been fully installed. Currently, work is focused on securing the grass and performing essential maintenance, ensuring the field is in perfect condition for use. This type of work is typical in the final phase, as the turf requires careful attention before hosting official matches, including fine adjustments to guarantee uniformity and durability. Inside the stadium, progress is also significant. Structures such as locker rooms, bars, and press areas have their masonry completely finished. With this structural phase completed, teams are now focusing on installing furniture and completing the finishing touches. This includes everything from flooring to functional and aesthetic details, showing that these spaces are entering their final stage before handover. The stands show clear progress. Around half of the seats are already installed, mostly in pink. The next phase will see the remaining black seats fitted, completing the planned visual pattern. This stage demonstrates that the structure is nearly ready, with only the final seating work left. Another key element is the stadium roof, which is practically finished. Teams are now carrying out the last structural adjustments and finishing work, completing one of the most complex parts of the project. The near completion of this element highlights how advanced the overall project has become. Outside and in the access areas, activity is equally intense. The stadium entrance is crowded with workers, as are the surrounding areas. These zones are undergoing simultaneous interventions, focusing on access points, landscaping, and preparing for public flow. Such work typically intensifies in the final weeks, when priority shifts to operational readiness and visitor experience. Overall, the current outlook shows the project is in its final phase, with work concentrated on finishing, installing key items, and operational adjustments. Most of the main structures are already complete, and the focus is now on ensuring every detail is ready for use. The expectation is for the stadium to open later in April, which explains the fast pace seen across all areas. With this, the construction is entering its decisive moments, heading toward the full delivery of Inter Miami's new home. If you enjoyed this, leave a like, and before you go, I'm leaving another video for you to watch.